How to turn off shorts on YouTube. In this video we will show you how to turn off shorts on YouTube. If you want to stop watching short or set a limit so that short do not appear, you can do that. This way you can watch only long videos. First, tap on your profile, then tap on settings. Here you will find the time management feature. Tap on it. After that, scroll up a little and you will see the daily limits option. Tap on short feed. Now select 0 minutes. After that, go back and tap on shorts. The shorts will stop playing and you will see a limit message. As you can see, a limit has been applied. If you want to turn it on, you will need to change the limit. If you want to ignore it, tap on it